This cake never fails to get compliments. Extremely moist, creamy, that melts in your mouth. It's possibly the best loved dessert ever. Hi, my name is Landon. Let's bake easier. My convenient downloadable recipe is in the description. Start with preheating the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit and preparing two 8-inch round pans. Just grease, lime, and flour. Next, heat up some coffee. This will deepen the chocolate flavor and you can use freshly brewed coffee too. Now for my favorite part, the one bowl method. This recipe is easy, forgiving, and not picky at all. Just add all ingredients you see on the screen. Cold eggs and milk are totally fine. Mix for about 30 seconds, then add the flour. No sifting needed. A little tip here, just manually mixing a bit before running the machine can prevent spattering, then beat until just combine. Finally, slowly pour in the hot coffee while the mixer is running on low. This keeps the batter smooth, prevents lumps, and avoids splashing everywhere. Once it's fully mixed, scrape the side and the bottom and make sure everything is evenly combined. Now divide the batter into the prepared pans, tap them to release any big bubbles, and bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Like this. This layer designed to be thin, so once cooled to touch, remove the domes and slice each cake in half. And yes, a little fudgy in the center, which means the cake is super moist. That's exactly what we want. Now for the heart of the cake, fresh strawberries. Leave a good looking one here for later. I love using fresh fruit instead of jam because it adds a bright, tangy sweetness. And the juices gently soak into the chocolate cake, make every bite moist, fresh, and truly melt in your mouth for up to 5 days.
5 days? Wow!
But trust me, it won't survive past 2 days. Just chop them into pieces like this, not too small so the cake doesn't get soggy. To bring it all together, we make a light chantilly frosting. It's airy, creamy, and gently sweet, the perfect balance to a rich chocolate. Simply whip everything into stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape and doesn't fall off the beaters. A little frosting in the bottom to keep the cake stay in place. Add a cake layer, spread about 2/3 cup of strawberries, leaving about ½ inch around the edges. Then add a generous layer of frosting. Spread it out evenly and slightly overhung on the sides. Repeat with the remaining layers. Now for the top layer, I skip the strawberries so the surface stays smooth. Frost the outside, some simple spinning, no need to be perfect. That homemade charm is what makes it special. Remember the strawberry I left out earlier? That is for the finishing touch, a strawberry heart on top. How beautiful is that? This cake tastes best not on the first day but the second day and the third, so make ahead. It may scream Valentine's Day, but honestly it's perfect any day you want to treat someone you love. So moist, so gentle, and it truly melts in your mouth. If you try it, let me know who the lucky person is. And finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other easy recipes. I wish you have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.